Hey y'all, it's your girl Shay, and we're back, and we're gonna get into the K9 25th anniversary. We got Young Dro, Lil Scrappy, and our bro Ruga performing. So let's go ahead and get into it. Hey y'all, it's your girl Shay, and this weekend is the K9 25th anniversary, y'all. And y'all see what I'm wearing. Y'all see the grounds. It's completely wet outside. It has been a rainy weekend, but the rain don't start nothing at all. Got my samurai helmet on, got my rain weather gear on, so we're about to get out, head down to Fayetteville, and turn up for my bro's 25th anniversary. 25 years, y'all. That's a quarter century. That's a long time. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's turn up doggy style. Let's go.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
I know y'all heard me mess up and said the rain don't start nothing, but I meant to say the rain don't stop nothing, because clearly I'm out here still riding, still vibing. You know how it is. You know what Shay on 2s do. So don't come for me. Let's go ahead and get into this anniversary. Let's go.
Years, baby. K9MC Mother Channel, baby. Everybody in Fayetteville, appreciate y'all for showing love from your hardest person to the city mayor, baby. Appreciate everybody that gave us love and respect. We got 24 more for y'all. 25, my bad. We in this thing.
I'm over here laughing at my bro. I pulled up on him and caught his ass on Monopoly Go. This dude is addicted, y'all. Completely addicted.
You say Lil Texas. You say security. You go Big Texas. Every black man. Lil Texas. Hey, Mother Chop, the way y'all at, man.
Mic check. You need another mic? Got two for you.
Hey, on the dead homies is Lil Texas.
Come on.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you something all day, baby. Hey, White Shield trump it all. White Shield, grumpy. Hey.
Hey, big brother done did it. Big brother done did it.
Hold me up.
Hey, tie your boot.
Hey, first of all, hey, I want to thank everybody for coming out. I don't do this shit, right? So this for work. On some real shit, man, as I look out throughout the crowd, man, y'all look good in the motherfucker, bro. Hey, we appreciate y'all coming to fuck with us like we fuck with y'all. Hey, this weekend is about us, man. It ain't all about Mother Chapter, it's about the whole nation. Alright? So with that being said, hey, we're gonna turn the fuck up. We're gonna do what the fuck we do. We're gonna have a good ass time. Please tip my bartenders, man. Please tip my bartenders. They're working hard for y'all, right? So the better you tip them, the stronger your drink's gonna be. Alright? So the better you tip, the stronger your drink gonna be. Alright? Alright?
Ride with DJ and Shay.
And
Ride
work.
with DJ and Shay. Like and subscribe, baby. Look, you already know what it is.
Like and subscribe.
Say it on the mic.
Like and subscribe. Y'all know who they are. DJ, Premier, on tube.
That's what I'm saying.
K9MC Mother Chapter, 25 years on the set, and we turned up big this year. 2023, we turned up, man.
You know how it goes. You know, we all ride from across the country, Winter Park, Florida, rode up here to come fuck.
To party. It's all right. To
Come
party.
here to party.
Coast to coast, from shore to shore, we outside. Mother Chapter.
Ground pound.
Don't you leave nowhere. Hey, look, K9MC, hey, we are the city. When we say Fayetteville, you better understand we say K9 too. And if you're in Fox right now, you already know where it is, baby dog. So look,
Appreciate you rocking with us. On behalf of my nation, 25 years in this shit, I'm gonna put this one, and we gonna drink this shit. Hey!
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get into these performances. Y'all make sure y'all check out my bro Ruga, aka Beatz. This man has been doing the thing. It is K9's very own artist, you guys. He is on all streaming platforms, so make sure y'all check my bro out, y'all. Reporting to the stage, Young Dro.
Can I get a picture? I'm like, yeah, my black hair, baby, let's get a picture. So she asked her girlfriend, she was like, you want a picture with Dro? Her girlfriend was like, who is Dro? I was like, man, fuck that bitch.
Next up, we got Lil Scrappy.
Hey, can I ask y'all a question? I say, if you turned up, say hey. If you turned up, say hey. If you turned up, say hey. Hey. So face up. Hey. What's up? Girl. Say go girl. Go girl. Go girl. Go girl. Go girl.
Once again, I would love to congratulate K9, my nation, a happy 25 years in this thing. It's not easy, but K9 definitely made it through, and we up and popping, y'all. I just love my nation, and congratulations, you guys. Alright, y'all, your girl made it home. Yes, definitely enjoyed myself. K9, for their 25th anniversary, they definitely did the thing. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed Lil Scrappy and Young Dro as well, because I know I did. But we made it back home, and it's time to go to bed. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, you guys, let's ride.